What if your AI coding agent actually thought like an engineer? Not just code suggestions, but structured execution. A plan, visibility, control. That's exactly what Augment Code just delivered with its brand new Tasklist upgrade. And it changes everything. Let me walk you through what makes this so powerful. Imagine asking an AI agent to build something complex. Say, a full-featured Twitter clone with a detailed user interface and a production-grade backend. Most agents would instantly start throwing code at you. And somewhere between the third or fourth file, you lose track of what it's doing. You're left guessing if it's stuck, off track, or just hallucinating. Now, with Augment Code's Tasklist, the agent doesn't just dive in blindly. It pauses, thinks, and gives you a step-by-step execution plan. You get a full, transparent roadmap. Everything from setting up the auth layer to building out components to final deployment, presented in a clean checklist. And here's the game changer. You control the flow. You can edit the steps, add new ones, delete unnecessary ones, or just approve the whole thing and hit run. Tasks run one by one or all at once, on your terms, in the background, on your local machine, or on remote agents. And while they run, you can actually track status in real time. Every task shows if it's pending, running, canceled, or completed. You're never left in the dark. Augment even lets you export the task list to Markdown, so you can save it, share it, or document your dev journey. But let's go further. What if your code base isn't a side project, but an enterprise repo with 10 million lines? Or 100 million? Augment's blazing fast code search is built for that. It's like having a superpower librarian who not only knows every file, but understands your code structure, your naming conventions, and even your bugs. And it's not just about search. Augment remembers. It learns as you code, knows your tools, respects your style. No repetition, no retraining. Oh, and it integrates natively with whatever stack you already use. VS Code, JetBrains, Vim, GitHub, Slack, it all just works. Let's be honest, most AI coding agents are flashy demos. Augment is built for real workflows. It's not trying to be your AI buddy. It's not asking for small talk. It's focused on one thing, shipping reliable code faster. This task list feature solves one of the most frustrating problems with AI dev tools. Lack of structure. No more guessing if your agent forgot half the problem. No more cleaning up random files it dumped on you. You now get clarity, control, and speed. To try it out, just install the Augment Code extension in your IDE. Say, start a task list and watch your AI agent become a true collaborator. If you're serious about building with AI, Augment Code isn't optional. It's essential. Like, share and subscribe for more deep dives into real AI tools that help you ship faster. And let us know in the comments, what's the first project you delegate to your new AI task list agent?